Hello friends, in this video I'll explain you guys the advantages of being an average person. If your childhood was quite decent without much accomplishment, if you are not able to get into prestigious college or not having a high income job, it's okay. It doesn't mean you can't dream big. You can achieve anything in life. Your success journey is just different from intelligent and talented people. But your success journey has its own benefits. Intelligent people's success journey too has its own benefits. Just as summer season has different joy and benefits and winter season has different joys and benefits. So, if you have made many failed attempts to succeed in life and lost motivation to work hard towards your goal, this video is for you. In this video, I'll explain you guys the bright side of making slow progress. So, if you are making slow and gradual progress, then you have sufficient amount of time to gain worldly experiences and wisdom. Along with mastering the skills of your professional field, you are also gaining personal experience in dealing with people, dealing with adversity, managing personal emotions, decision making, and lot more. You are gaining IQ and EQ together. IQ means intelligence quotient and EQ means emotional quotient. IQ is necessary for success in your professional field and EQ is necessary for maintaining that success. Many times people who get success at young age are good at their professional field but they lack wisdom to maintain it. Sometimes they become arrogant due to their early and easy success and start making wrong decisions. Their success may collapse due to their wrong decisions and lack of wisdom. Hence, gaining wisdom is very important to maintain your success. Therefore, slow and gradual progress is long-lasting progress. Second thing, you don't have to deal with expectations of people. People who show brilliant performance at an early stage collect a lots of expectations of people. They don't only have to compete with others but also require to compete with their previous performances because they have set a high benchmark for themselves. Many times, in spite of their good performance, they upset people because their performance is not up to the mark of their previous performances. They have constant pressure of doing better and better. People who make slow progress don't need to deal with huge expectations. When people have no or little expectations from you, you can choose which aspect of your personality or skills you need to show people. You can gently penetrate the mind of your superiors, co-workers, and fellow people. You can gradually earn a long-lasting goodwill. Third thing is, an early start gets early tired. If a runner in the race start running in the race 100 meters before starting point, he will also get tired 100 meters before finish point. People who have tasted success at a young age have lived life fully early. In a few years, they will become used to of their successful life and their happy life will appear normal to them. There is nothing new to gain or experience, They will also become tired of work and responsibilities at a comparatively younger age. Whereas people who make slow progress can enjoy their life little by little. There is always a sense of purpose maintained in their life. There is always something new to experience. The gradual unfolding of their beautiful dreams never makes them tired of work and responsibilities. Now, some of you may say that if we face repeated failures, we may lag behind in life and never be able to catch successful people. But this is not true. Majority of people, once they reach some amount of success, their life becomes monotonous. Their daily routine becomes repetitive in nature. The difficulty level of their daily affairs is not increasing. They are repeating the same activities daily. So, even if you got delayed in your success, but if you are working consistently towards your success, you can easily catch them. After some time, the early starters and delayed strugglers both are at the same level. So in this way, if you are facing failures and taking longer than others to succeed in life, don't become disheartened. Slow and steady wins the race. Dream big and believe in yourself. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye all.